Hi again. This tip has to do with the grouping functionality in ToolmanageriQ. Sections like the Tools, Holders, and Fixtures sections can have groups added, and those groups can have items added to them so that you can quickly choose a group and see all of the items that are associated to it. And the naming is totally up to you, so whether you want to go by machine or job number or anything else, it'll all be fine. This is the grouping right here in the main dialog, and you can press the plus button and it'll open up the second dialog, and the first tab is where you can create new groups, and you can also rename or delete previously existing groups. I'm going to go ahead and add a new group here and just call it My Group and save it to the list. Now the second tab is where you can add and remove items from the groups. So I can choose my new group here, and anything on the left hand side is out of the group and ready to be added, and anything on the right hand side is part of that group. And you can simply select items and use these two buttons to carry them from one side to the other. I'm going to go ahead and add a few items here to start with. And then when I close that dialog, those items are now part of that group. There's also a way to add on the fly when you're importing items. So if I were to select this end mill here and import it from GibbsCAM, there are more grouping buttons here where I can quickly create a new group, or I can pick a previously existing group here. And we've added groups to our sample database, and that's what you see there. But I'll pick My Group, and this works with adding multiple tools all at a time as well. And I'm going to press OK, and now that tool has not only been imported to the main list, but it is now added to that group. Anytime I want to see the contents of that group, I can pull down the menu, choose the group, and here you can see the 3 items that I added to it before, as well as the tool that I imported from GibbsCAM. Hopefully this helps in the future with grouping items. I appreciate you watching.